guys! Happy summer! It's camping season, and for our first camping trip, we're going to Red Street Campground in British Columbia. Yay! Pero bago ang lahat, eto muna, isang patalastas. Mahabang traffic. But we're still moving for a bit.
Oh, it's bad.
Marami lang sasakyan. Oh, but my driver keeps mumbling, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. So it must be bad. Ang ganda ng tubig. Goats. Marami dito. Looking for B8. Natural siya. B5
Malapit lang sa kasya.
nasa harap, B5 yeah. B6 may sasakyan na. Malamang B7 susunod kalabi. B8 pahiya.
Is this 8?
We're reinforcing our tent roof with tarp kasi there's rain in the forecast. It's gonna rain this weekend, so
Masigdit.
Inspector. Oh, your goblet.
Okay.
yay! Happy birthday, Lucky! Good morning. Ayun, mga bagong gising. Good morning! Okay. Tingnan na namin yung view. Ito. Dito ba yung video mo last? Let's go. Show me. Ay, oo nga.
Ito yung site nila, Sis Marie dati.
Woo!
Ganda kaya?
Look at that. Oh. May trail talaga pababa. Yan, walk muna tayo. Happy ka pa? Itong pamilya ko nagpa-practice ng intro. Pinapractice nila yung intro ko. Anyway, medyo maulan ng konti. So, after brunch, we did a short walk around the loop. Tapos nag-nap kami. And then we got tired of napping. The rain stopped a bit and we're heading to the village of Radium. Yeah, gusto namin mag-swimming and we're going to Radium Hot Springs. Yes, umuulan. It's raining. Pero magsiswimming kami. Here we go. We are here at the Radium Hot Springs venue. Going towards the entrance. See here though. Group rate. So, ang dami namin eh. Ang toka ng dinner, mga pasalan. Uy, nagluluto! Ayan. Coco! Hi! Ay, natakot. Dinner time. Good morning, check out time. Ligpit-ligpit na, di ba?
Good morning, sis.
Good morning.
Breakfast na tayo.
Kaya nga.
Kasi mainit pa.
Ayun po ang Pogo Hub. naman tayo mag-lunch picnic eh. Di ba? This is gonna be our spot. So yun nga, we guess the parade is done. Everybody's just walking to the lake. And this cafe here. Just here to check it out. We're at Kinsman Beach. And ayan, picnic tables pa rin. Just want to show you we're not staying long. There's more sand here if you want to make your sand castles. This is much more developed. May stores, may concession dito, rentals. So this is much closer, I guess, to the town. May playground din, daming kids. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. We've checked out of Red Street Campground and we just explored a little, checking out the beaches here at Invermere for our next visit. Medyo malamig kasi ngayon kaya hindi na kami nag-swim. But for next time, di ba? And before we go, we'd like to greet everyone. Happy Canada Day! Thank you so much for watching us. This is The Bright Side with Ting. Until next time, bye!